To enter your virtual showroom and its interface, click in this area avoiding the pencil, which allows you to modify the thumbnail. We will see the interface of the showroom in two ways, the internal part and then the external part. First of all, let's see the interior interface of your virtual showroom. It is divided into four parts: the central part, the top right part, the top left part, the bottom left part. The central part is for viewing and navigation. You can move by left-clicking on the circles on the ground or in the direction you want to go. Holding down the left click will change your viewing angle. Another option is to use the directional arrows on the keyboard. At the top right, you will find the two modes of interaction in your virtual showroom, client and editor. The client view allows you to have the final rendering of what the customer will see. The editor view allows you to modify your virtual showroom. We suggest you to move to client mode to avoid false manipulations. You will also find some tools and parameters. Search to find a specific object. Full screen to fully immerse yourself. Copy your view to share both the virtual showroom and the point of view. Sound to adjust the volume. Language to modify the translations. On the top left part you will find the navigation menu, allowing you to create shortcuts in your virtual showroom. By default there is the entry, which you can set. Then, you will find everything that concerns the addition of interaction inside your virtual showroom: point of interest, portal, 3D object and spatialized sound. For more information on these topics, please refer to the corresponding videos. Finally, on the bottom left part, you will find the navigation tools, adjustable in the navigation parameter. The zoom, also usable via the scroll wheel. The map. The 3D view. The ground plan. The measurement tool. The view or not of the 3D points of interest, which concerns the editor mode. Now, let's go to the external interface of the virtual showroom. At the top left, you will find several buttons. The first one allows you to go back and thus exit the showroom interface. The second button copies the link of your virtual showroom if you want to share it. The third is a very specific feature. Ask your CSM for more information. At the top right, there is the name of the virtual showroom you are in, which you can modify. The settings will be the subject of another video.